What's up? What's poppin'? I'm the Ty Marie back with another video. If you are new here, hi, I'm the Ty Marie. And if you aren't, what's up? What's poppin' with you? Period.
She got hips, I got a grip for a lot of ass. Don't need to have more. I know it's sweet, I like that. I got word that is wet, well, let's drown.
Y'all, I miss y'all. I feel like I haven't seen y'all in so long. So I'm back to this chaotic mess. But y'all wanted this video of me creating this wig. So I'm about to give it to y'all. And I can't keep walking around looking like this. And I had to take my braids down. So we about to do this. So I'm gonna just update y'all on what I'm doing and what I've already done. Cause like, yeah, I already got the cap. I think I had this for about a week or something. But I put a clip on this side. A clip on this side. And a clip in the back. This is of course gonna be my first bundle because it is my longest. And y'all, when I tell y'all this is good, look at it. Look at the bounce. I'm gonna put who I got my hair from. The first inch, and then I have 3 little bundles right here. It's gonna be my second. And of course I'm going from down to up because why would you not? And then this is like my, I feel like, I don't know how many inches this is, but it's still some bomb hair. So I have a blonde bundle, and these are 2 little tracks in here. They're a pretty good length. I don't know if they're like a little bit good bounce hair. And then of course my orange hair, and I just did this because I already have orange hair, but all my hair is gonna be up. But so I've already brushed my teeth, did all that, got dressed, did my makeup, and of course y'all need to go shop my lashes. If y'all haven't already, I have on Icy today. I put on a light little shadow, a light little beat, not too much. But yeah, we're about to go. Next thing, I think y'all are either gonna see me in the car or in the hair shop. Sorry y'all. Ooh, I be hot in this mud. I couldn't record that much in there because I was trying to focus on something, and yeah, but I didn't get to get the clothes that I wanted because where I got my hair from is from a real deal, hair place, but they're not open on Mondays, and I need to get my hair done today, and I'm gonna explain to y'all why. Dang, I lost my bleach.
Purchase your tracks today.
Looks crooked, but it's not, I promise you. It's just the wig cap or whatever. And I really wish this cap would stay, but it's not, y'all. The clothes are down.
Purchase your tracks today.
Sewed down. Period. Now we're about to start on the tracks. Yes, I'm still gonna be doing this on my lap because it's for the bird.
Purchase your tracks today.
I think the last thing y'all saw was me sitting down, working on the closure and starting on one of the bottom rows. I've gotten pretty far and I still have a lot of hair to put in because I want to make this as full as possible. So I'm finna like, you know, try to fill it up as much as I can. And it's doing good so far. I hate when my knots do that, like. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got done so far. So this is what it looks like. I'm still sewing this part, but it already looks pretty full. And it looks pretty good. And it's the closure. We're getting somewhere. Let me go ahead and finish doing this, and I'm just gonna see.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
I'm flat ironing it to make sure my work is flat. And I just feel like flat ironing will really, like, you know, show if you have it flat or not. It looks pretty good so far.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
We almost done. She's beautiful so far. I just got this much to go, and I am gonna go ahead and fill that up with my red and blonde. I mean my orange and blonde. But she's flat. You can't see no tracks. She's full. She is beautiful. Period. I love this hair, y'all. So long. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and finish. Hey, y'all. As y'all can see, I finished my wig. Hold on. I was just about to lay it down. I'm about to take these clips out and show y'all what it actually looks like. So this is with the flap up. So I did the blonde and black. I was gonna put orange in it, but I was like, I'm kind of feeling just the black and blonde. And I've been plucking at this, but I'm gonna keep plucking just in case. But so far it looks pretty good. I like it. I'm not dolled up tomorrow, but I'm probably doing my makeup tomorrow and stuff. Baby, I likes it. Let me find out if I can do a wig. Then we have to start doing wigs too. No, I'm just playing. I'm still, for this to be my first wig, I am actually really very proud of myself. Let's give myself a pat on the back because
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Melting my legs. Melting my legs.
Purchase your tracks.
Now I gotta take my trick on flattening my area when I don't do my hot comb at first. I use the blow dryer and it works really well. Got it or some shit. It's perfect. Look at that.
Purchase your tracks today.
Just curling these. Call these my little bangs. I've never had bangs before because usually when I do
Purchase
curly,
your tracks today.
the damn the same size as the hair. Alright, y'all, but I just wanted to come on here and show y'all. It is like 9 something at night. Cute to go wig. But I'm letting my lace melt. My scalp looks bomb. The hair looks good, flat, no bumps. It's just, I'm really proud of myself for it to be my first wig. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all need to like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that y'all need to do. And let's get me to 100 freaking followers or subscribers. Let's get me to 100 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's end this shitty ass year on a great year. We out.
Purchase your tracks today.